good quality, and you have so many possibilities with the connection thing. To connect stuff on your smart flat screen, go on the backside, have a look. The first thing is cable. Here you can dock the cable, the television cable on it. Next steps are satellite and broadcast things. Then we have a local area network connection host. This is the third thing. And then comes HDMI. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 HDMI ports. This is for your PlayStation, for your Blu-ray player, for every console out there, which is state of the art. Next thing is optical. An optical dock area. There you can dock your sound system on it. And then there are 2 USB ports. Universal Serial Bus. This is like an HDD, for example, where you can go and store some movies, store some shows, etc. USB is also for every other devices you are going to like to connect with the smart TV. So these are all the setup things, the possibilities to enter some information into this flat screen. And this is enough, I think, but there's more. If you like to see HD television, you will need a CI card adapter or a CI card. We have a CI card adapter which is included in the box, so we can attach this CI card adapter into the backside of this television. And inside this CI card adapter, you can push your CI card, and if you have a contract with a CI card brand, blah blah blah, you can watch HD television like Fox HD or CNN HD or Walt Disney Channel, History Channel, etc. This is pay TV. CI card is for pay TV, but you can use the CI card adapter with the card of your pay TV contract. Job's done. Only push it in position, then you can use it with this awesome flat screen.